Let's talk about negative statements and questions with do. Today you can learn more about the simple present with Laura and Tom. You already know that in questions with to be, you must change the word order. Look at those children. Are they from here? No, they aren't. They are new in my street. You also know the negative forms of to be. The word order also changes in questions with can.
Can you tell me their names?
No, I can't. They're new here. Remember that the negative form of can is can't. But what about the negative form of other verbs? Let's have a look.
So you don't know their names?
Right, I do not know their names.
But you know where they live.
You know is the positive sentence. Laura uses a negative sentence. Have a look. What is between the subject I and the verb know? Tom also uses a negative sentence here with a short form. What's the form now? Your turn. Can you make the sentences negative? What comes between you and know? Correct. You do not know their names or you don't know their names. There is no negative form of know, but you use do not or don't. Now let's learn how to make questions in the simple present.
Hello, what are your names?
We are Rosalia and Juan.
Do you want to play with us?
Yes, we do. We want to play with you. We want to play is our positive sentence. Laura asks a question. Do you want to play? And Juan answers it with yes, we do. Remember the important word here. Now let's look at another example. Where do you usually play?
We usually play in the park or at my house.
We play is the positive sentence. Juan asks a question. Here he uses the question word where. Where do you usually play? Now, are you ready to make a question? What do you need to make the question here? Correct. The word do in front of the subject and a question mark. Now you know. You don't have to change the word order in a question in the simple present, but you need the verb to do. Always. For he, she, it, you need does, but that's a different video. Let's answer the question, do you want to play? Yes, we do. No, we don't. You cannot repeat the verb want to in the answer, only the verb do. Okay, here you can see all of Laura's and Tom's examples again. And that's all you need to know for now. Now maybe you want to pause this video right now to write this down.
Goodbye for today. We hope you had fun learning about questions
And about negative sentences with do.
See you next time.